Keith.
Keith, you sexy baby. How do you stop it? Now for Jennifer Miller sleeping. The phone.
Living through chemistry.
Just hold the knife. I don't see you anywhere. Aha! I don't see the knife. No, I was doing good. Go.
Stop it again. There's people watching it. There's people watching it. Stop.
Da da.
Yeah. Do that. Wait. What's that? The moon? That's the moon's over there.
Where? Oh, there it is. Where? I can't find it in the camera.
But wait, hold on.
Shut up, I have it.
Don't record.
It was a dark, desolate night. Do 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 do. The craze.
The battery's gonna go.
Maniac killer.
The battery's gonna go. Damn it.
Raúl.
I know it's recording, so stop.
Telecruise. Go. Do it now.
Get a picture of the moon. Get a picture of the moon. Get a picture of the moon.
What?
Get a
Oh no.
Press stop.
Speaking to my camera. My humble home. Jen, hide your head. I'm coming in the room. Jen, hide your head. Ashley, my precious baby. Who are you talking to? Jen?
Who's on the phone?
Nicole. Come on, are you guys ready or what? That was so disgusting.
Ow! You piece of shit.
Oh my god. It's anarchy.
Anarchy.
Nicole, on the count of 3, yell hi, okay? Or say hi into the... Ready? That's Nicole on the phone. Nicole? Say hi, Nicole. Hello? I don't think I did it. Ready? Hold on. Nicole, say hi. Did you say it? No. Please. Raúl, you're such a pig.
Yeah.
Raúl, you...
Can I hit her? You like watch her drop the camera?
What? Come here, Nick, Raúl.
Come on.
Raúl!
You come on.
Come on!
I'm having fun.
It was a dark and desolate weekend night.
Look how bad your hands are shaking. Raúl, stop pissing.
There it goes.
Yeah, you know what that's gonna be like?
Can't find him. Where the hell is he? You walked the wrong way! Come on, Jen. We're taping right now. Alright. Okay, wait. Killer walks alone. Where's the little light? Okay, go. Knock. Here. Okay, ready? Press record, Jen, go.
Alright.
Uh-huh. I don't like Girl Scout cookies. Standing for you to just no, Jen, take his feet now. Good talk. That was good? Was that good?
Come in here and watch it.
Okay, quick, let's watch it. I don't know if this looks awesome, man. Come on. Jen, this tape is too dark. Quick, set it up, Raúl. Let's go, Jen, stop. Tape this, baby.
Up down. So the first guy, the Italian guy, says, just shoot me, I want it over with fast. Boom, he's gone.
Dominoes.
I didn't order any. In this little circle of a scalp, as we all know, is called the head. We have Jen's birthmark. Look very carefully.
Can you see the whole thing?
Yes, it's right there. Now, fling your hair up like a bottle. Woo! Now strip.
Psych. I wouldn't do that in front of Bulgy
Give it a
Raúl.
taste.
He's getting insulted now because I keep talking about his crotch.
Alright, let's play now. Play.
I want to get my cat real quick. Hi, Ashley. This is my kitty cat right here called Ashley. Isn't she pretty? This is my kitty cat Ashley. Jen. No, you asked her if she stayed over last night. Oh, I just asked her if she would stay over. Uh-huh. She's a bitch. Yep. Mom, on the count of 3, say hi, okay? 1, 2, 3, say hi. Okay. The video camera. Because Raúl, we're doing our Gothic film. Come on. I was with him. Yes, you are. It's okay. Don't have any. Yes.
Should I start laughing again?
Jen, pull that Raúl's pants.
Oh, you homo bitch.
You homo bitch.
I fucking hate you, Raúl. Ow!
Raúl, pin her. This is funny.
Ow! Don't roll it! Roll it!
Did you please get off me? Thank you. Pull.
Jen, shut up.
Fuck you! Let's put your pants down on your film.
Honey, you look really, really good.
Alright, that's enough. Alright, you can put it away now. You don't want to.
Are you going to the restroom?
No! I'll beat her up. I don't want to hit her.
This is funny.
Ow, you piece of shit!
Jennifer, shut up.
You tell Raúl to stop it. I'm gonna start fucking kicking me.
Raúl, do something.
No, Raúl, come on!
Jennifer, shut up. Don't yell. You're just playing around.
Raúl, come on! Don't, you're gonna hurt me. Ow! You're already fucking suffocating me.
Raúl, get the knife and pretend like you killed
No,
him.
Raúl, come on! Raúl, it hurts.
Kiss her, Raúl. Kiss her.
No, don't kiss me, please. Ow, Raúl, come on! Hey, I'm getting off or I'm gonna scream fucking loud. Raúl, get off.
Stop.
Ow, you asshole. What the fuck is wrong with you? Stop. Big fucking mop head piece of shit.
Cut it out. We just cut out. Jen, don't do that. We're only playing.
Oh, only playing with you? Fucking Raúl, you're gonna get hurt.
Only a bit hard.
No!
Alright, then stop.
Come on, Billy and Jesse.
Holy cow. That looks like that. Alright, stop.
That's my foot.
Pam, will you stop already?
As soon as you lose your heart on, Raúl.
But we got a real close up of it now.
Flash myself. Did I pull my pants down?
Bro, look at you sitting there with your big fuck you sat on my hand and fucking bent down. Wait, easy.
Easy. She's crushing me.
Get out of here, fucking crotch face.
Off.
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 Let's get him.
Off. What are you gonna do?
We'll fucking get you.
What are you gonna do? I mean, you two aren't strong enough for me.
Look at your skanky arms. You're such a scrub. Hey! Ow!
Shut up. You don't have to yell that loud.
Wait, Pam, punch her like that.
No, don't punch me like that.
Raúl! Oh, stop it! Oh my god!
You hit me, I'll hit you back.
I'll do that.
Raúl, don't hit me with the shoe. I
Don't
didn't
hit
hit
I'm
you.
not gonna hit you with that.
No,
Just
she's
get away from
not.
me.
Whoa. Such a bitch.
I'm not kidding. I'll get too much on the stop first. Everybody
Everybody stop. Don't put the camera down.
Why? Because I get in fucking trouble. I'm not kidding. Turn everything off.
Why? You can't have the camera on? Oh, she gets pissed and tells everybody to stop, but she keeps spraying.
I know.
Oh, wait. People upstairs bed on the floor?
Look at this shit.
So was I running around? I was standing there quiet with the camera. What the hell? Raúl in your big crotch.
I'm fucking going home, that's it.
What? Raúl's
No.
upset because we keep talking about his dick.
No, I fucking wet me, that's it.
Because I wet him. Because he's soaking wet. So it was like
I
very
cleaned up in there.
What?
Who lives downstairs?
Fucking stupid Puerto Ricans.
So that's kind of crotch.
Why don't you move this pillow? You got one too. Just taping this, Raúl.
Don't tape anymore.
I'm not taping it. It's amazing this thing made it through the night.
I know. If you break it, I don't know what happened.
Oh shit, this is taping.
Oh my god. Thing. Can I do one thing?
What are you doing?
Is that taping?
No.
Raúl's big face. He's so cute. Ow!
Jennifer, shut up.
The Puerto Ricans.
Go in there and squeeze her hand so she knows how
No.
it feels. So stop doing it, Raúl. Fuck you.
Ew, what a hard fright.
What a what?
Hard sight. I smell fish. It's coming from down there.
She said fish is coming from down there.
Down there. I don't care what she says, Raúl. I know it's not true. Raúl, you fucking crotch. I think you're slick, huh? It's not still on your face, Raúl.
Can I beat up Jennifer?
Go ahead.
No!
Just don't make any noise.
I'm gonna make a lot of noise. So you might as well stay away because she's gonna yell at you.
Okay.
I'm sorry,
My arm hurts.
baby. Make a muscle.
Flex. Raúl, stand up and flex for us.
Flex,
I have
please.
no muscles.
Raúl, please.
Punch her right in the head.
Come on. Flex, please.
I don't have no muscles, right?
Yes, you do. Flex.
I'm ready anyways.
Oh, that's no
Do it
muscles.
again. Holy Hulk Hogan, here we are.
Ain't no Brian Sampson.
Rocky Balboa.
What happened? Turn off. I want to say something.
No. Are we getting on your nerves, Raúl?
No, I want to say something, but I don't want it on camera.
I'm not recording. I'm just looking.
Alright.
What?
What happened with Brian?
Ow! Raúl.
Are you ticklish?
No! Raúl.
Jennifer ticklish?
I'm not ticklish.
You're not ticklish?
No.
God damn it. I hate it when girls aren't ticklish.
Fucking, ooh, I fucking hate you.
Why?
Why? What did I say?
What did I do? I'm sorry, baby.
I'm sorry, baby.
How many crotch shots do you have in you?
What?
This thing is huge, Raúl.
What thing? This is not.
Mr. Pillow, you're so soft and supple.
Stop sing that song again?
Oh, Mr. Pillow, you're so soft and supple. Give me a dream,
Now move your
Jen,
hand.
shut up. Wait, go ahead, roll.
Mr. Pillow. Here, my buddy. What would I do without you? Some little pal of mine.
Jerk it off, Raúl.
Gumby and Raúl, take one. Move your thumb, Raúl.
Hey,
You did it. You were holding the back of him. You're doing it wrong. I am Gumby jerking off.
alright. Now, Gummy and Figment. Don't worry, buddy, I'm just a figment of your imagination. I'm just figment of yours too, buddy. Alright. Too much fun, huh?
It was funnier that day.
Oh, big crush.
Ow! Now you see, then you get mad when I hit you.
Because the darts worse when you hit me. I'm tired. I'm going back to sleep.
Can I go?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Go ahead, Jen, but we'll tape you sleeping.
Mm.
So close your eyes and rest a little.
I knew you were going to zoom in on me.
Do your Julie Brown impersonation. Go. Julie Brown.
Don't touch me, Raúl.
Yeah, don't touch it. Let her do it.
I'm only doing this because I don't know. Or wait, can you pull? Alright, I'll just do it. I'll do it.
Be careful with the lens.
Okay.
You're too close to me. Back up.
Be careful with what?
The wires. The wires.
Julie Brown by Jen.
I can't do this.
Come on.
No, I can't. It's embarrassing. Because I'm...
Come on.
No. If you take the camera off, I'll do it because you're recording it.
I'm not recording.
Well, shit, I see the fucking light, asshole.
That doesn't mean anything. That's a fucking power light, you idiot.
Alright. Hit the button so it'll blink and it's not recorded. Is the light blinking?
Wait, I should... No, I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna take Julie Brown.
But she don't look like her, you do.
Raúl.
Wait, you're zooming in on too much. Alright, go down.
I'm sorry, Raúl. Oh, baby.
Shake your hair, Raúl.
Huh?
Shake your grease ball. Wait, keep going.
I'm gonna get a headache.
What are you drinking? Is it recording? Hi, honey. You fucking make me bleed. Ew! Sex is all I need. She was gone. It's flying out of your mouth. She's gone. Don't say the F word. Oh wait, Kristen Bauer wore English last year? I'm like an asshole. We got to stay for 5 minutes. So don't take a little bit, okay? Ouch. I know. Damn it. That's why I just trying to get oh my god, it's horrible. The Chris Bauer, we're reading plays and shit. We had to read certain lines. And says, oh, it's crazy. She goes, Michigan, I can't read these. It's like, I can't say God's name in vain.
Oh God.
Give me a fucking goddamn break. No, I don't want to get Mustang.
No. It's funny.
What kind of Mustang does she have? An older one? Have you ever been in a car with her? Does she drive good? She gets in an accident? Fucking little bitch. She's a bitch. Yeah, she won't use the words with you. She makes me see a little bitch. I remember one time, like I could never burp, like loud, or you'd never even hear it. So like if there was such a thing as a feminine burp, I could not even hear it. And then all of a sudden, I swear to God, it was like one fucking day. I have to do a batter up all those times. So were you having that time when I flipped her little Bob's over the other day, or did you feel like day?
On the first day.
Are you using your knife or not? The first day, Raúl has some right? They're in the canoe and I'm in the water, and they come like charging at me like head on. So I grab the canoe by the front and I tip it over, and they flip over and I was going, I can't swim, my gas, my gas! And the water like 4 feet in the air passes, like plastic.
Yeah, I didn't know that though.
So if you ask the doctor, no, that's not
I mean, that was the first time I ever broke my leg. Oh, good.
I'm not going to ignore this trick.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh my god. No. No, come on, girl. No. You gotta give it no first. Not here.
Oh,
Oh, I thought that was him. Check it back. Yeah, but I'm not. It's nice. Hey, you give me a picture of that? After I eat, I'm going to go to sleep. I would try to control that one too.
Yeah, you're just like my sister. It's like
Sorry.
a year ago. Before
You're starting it?
So, you burp in front of her. So, like, really burping in front of her. Like, yeah, it's okay. And she tried to hit you. But, like, she's like, this guy, like, he burp all the time. Constantly. So, when they came to my house, they were all running around and go up. Oh my god. You're like, yeah, now I'm like you. I'm gonna burp in your face every time I see you.
Me and Jen used to be able to say better up. I should practice now because my burps are nasty. Telephones. Hello? Yes? What are they doing today? We'll try and find out. But you don't know what they're doing? Walk to the home at 12:30 so you can't be watched. I'm not really worried, you know? I have to hug you anyways. There's no concerns about it. It's always been So is he gonna call you out? Is he ready to answer your call? I swear to God, there's no guys here. No, you're not. Damn. Put this stuff in the room. Put it back in the pot. No. Doors in the window. Oh, I don't know because I don't know if this person is calling.
Watching.
So not like blind, just blind. That's funny. Yeah.
Throw away the key. You should have talked to me more often than you did, but no.
I don't know, don't come over here. Okay. Okay. Okay, don't talk about this. That's for just haven't done